In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve your Hotmail account. Whether you've forgotten your password or your account has been temporarily locked, these steps will guide you through the recovery process quickly and efficiently, getting you back to using your email without a hitch. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Google is a reliable starting point for navigating to the right page for any online account recovery needs. Once there, you'll type in Microsoft Account Recovery page. This search query will lead you to the official Microsoft Account Recovery site, the crucial web page for all your Hotmail account retrieval needs. After typing that into the search bar, you'll need to find the Microsoft Account Recovery page link in the search results. Look carefully to make sure it's an official Microsoft URL, which will help ensure that you are moving forward securely. Go ahead and click on this link. This step will take you directly to the Microsoft Account Recovery page. It's important to check this page thoroughly and ensure you're on the right site to avoid phishing scams or other security issues. Once you land on the Microsoft Account Recovery page, locate and click on Account Recovery. This is another layer of navigation that helps verify you're following the right path on the official site. Clicking here will move you further along in the process toward recovering access to your account. The next step involves clicking on the provided link, which often starts with https://account.live.com/resetpassword.spx. Clicking on this link will direct you to a form where you can reset your password. Make sure you're paying close attention that the link is indeed an official Microsoft link to ensure that your account details remain protected. Now at this point you will be asked to type in your email address. Be sure to enter the same email associated with the Hotmail account you're trying to recover. It's crucial this information is accurate so Microsoft can verify your identity and provide access to options for resetting your password. Finally, follow the instructions presented on the page to recover your account. These might include entering a code sent to your registered phone number or verifying information you provided when you initially set up the account. Patience is key, as following these steps accurately will ensure the account is secured and recovered safely. And there you have it, these steps will lead you to successfully recover your Hotmail account. If you encounter any issues during the process, Microsoft provides additional support resources to help. Remember, keeping your information up to date and your authentication options current can simplify future recovery processes. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this guide helps you restore your email access smoothly and successfully.